Changing the language on Shopbase is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few steps. To begin, log into your Shopbase account and navigate to the admin dashboard. From the dashboard, click on the settings icon, which is usually located in the bottom left corner of the screen. In the settings menu, click on the languages option, which will take you to the language settings page. On this page, you will see a list of available languages that you can choose from. Select the language you want to use from the drop-down menu. Once you have selected your preferred language, click on the Save button to apply the changes. The language of your Shopbase account will now be changed to the language you selected. You can verify this by looking at the text and menus on the screen, which should now be displayed in the new language. It is worth noting that changing the language on Shopbase will only affect the admin dashboard and will not change the language of your online store. If you want to change the language of your online store, you will need to use a translation app or manually translate the text on your store. To change the language of your online store, you can install a translation app from the Shopbase App Store. These apps allow you to translate the text on your store into multiple languages, making it easier for customers from different countries to navigate and make purchases. In addition to changing the language, you can also customize the currency and time zone of your Shopbase account. To do this, go to the Settings menu and click on the General option. From here, you can select the currency and time zone that you want to use. By following these steps, you can easily change the language on Shopbase and customize your account to suit your needs. Remember to save your changes after making any updates to ensure that they are applied correctly.